Hey, Mr. Arthur Swift, Alex Mareffi here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in this beautiful 2006 Ford Expedition. It's loaded out. We've got it at an extremely low price right now. So if it's something you're interested in, you need to come down and see it today. Take it for a test drive. Get it in your driveway as soon as possible. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, beautiful red colors, step rails, alloy wheels. The back seat, there's plenty of room for 3 passengers. Even has a 3rd row. It's equipped with a DVD player, sunroof, dual air controls, AM, FM, CD player up at the front, even has an adjustable foot pedal so you can adjust it perfectly to your wants and needs. So Mr. Swift, all I need you to do is give me a call at 205-380-6250, set up a time to come in. Again, it's Alex at Tameron Hyundai. We're located 1591 Montgomery Highway here in Hoover. And Mr. Swift, I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Thank you so much.